Welcome back to Pink Penguiny. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make an origami rainbow fish. If you're new here, a big welcome and please subscribe to my channel. So to make this rainbow fish craft, you'll need some origami paper, and it has to have a blue in it because blue is the main color of the rainbow fish. Next, you'll need some sequins to decorate your rainbow fish. I'm using these sequins I got from Joann's. You'll also need a Sharpie marker to draw on the eye of the rainbow fish. You'll also need a glue stick to glue on the decorations. Some glitter glue, but you'll only need one color. Lastly, you'll need a few toothpicks in case you need to move things around. So to start, I'm taking this blue origami paper. The front color is blue and the back is white, but some origami papers are colored both sides. But if you do have a white and a colored one, fold the paper in half with the colored side on the outside. Then unfold it and take the edges and fold it into the middle. On this side as well. Then unfold it and fold it in half this way. Open it up and fold the sides to the middle again. Then fold it diagonally. Then fold it diagonally the other way. Unfold it. Then pinch this corner here. So then these will go down. So pinch this and it'll look something like this. Then straighten it out and fold it down. Then pinch this corner so then it'll look the same as the other side. Then flip it like this and kind of take the corners and fold them down so it kind of looks like this. If you flip it over, it kind of looks like a boat. And then take this little tip. It feels pretty thick, not this thin part, but this thicker part. And fold it just like that. And once you have this, take this flap and fold it up. And this will be one of the rainbow fish's fins. Then do the same on this side, but kind of the opposite. So fold it like this, then take this fin and fold it down. So then fold this down, same to this side. And there you have it, the base of the rainbow fish. Now, add some decorations to make it look really like the rainbow fish. So first, I'm gonna add an eye. So I like to put the eye in this little triangle here. And I'm just gonna draw an eye right around here. Just like that. Then I'm gonna take my sequins, pour a little bit out. There's a lot of sequins in here, so I won't need all of them. There are also these itty bitty tiny ones, but I won't be using those. I think that's enough. So here's my pile of sequins. And I'm also also going to take my glue stick and, of course, some toothpicks. So the rainbow fish kind of starts its scales in a curved shape. So I'm going to draw that shape with the glue stick. Then I'm going to stick some sequins on there. You can stick on any color in any order. With my toothpick, I'm just going to kind of arrange it so my hands don't get all gluey and sticky. Sometimes I like to just dip my toothpick in my glue stick, so then it's easier to put on a little bit amount of glue. Finish the sequins on the rainbow fish. So for the glitter glue part, it's going to be its scales back here that are shiny. So I think I'm going to use a silver color for the scales, and then I'm just going to make squiggly lines. So I'm just going to hold it up like this. And then I'm just going to draw some squiggly lines. It's going to be messy. Like that. And inside. You can let the glue dry. And there, you have your rainbow fish. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching Pink Penguiny, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!